Hi! The editing tool in your Homeschool Planet planner is very helpful when you need to change a class or move things around. We're going to look at two different avenues to edit today. The first thing you'll want to do is select the title of the class you need to make changes to. Then you'll choose Edit from the pop-up menu. Over here on the right of the screen, when you're on the Assignments tab, you'll see Options. Next to each individual assignment, there is a More drop-down menu. You'll see that with that, you have the ability to add a reminder, to add a website, to upload a file, assign a resource, remove the assignment altogether, or move that one assignment to a different date. Additionally, you can add another assignment to the date, remove this date from the schedule altogether, or shift the current assignment and the others down. If you'd like to make a little more substantial change, you'll use the option Shift Entire Schedule Out from this day forward. So for example, when you do that, you can then choose to say, we had a baby, or we are going on an unexpected vacation, or we've had illness in the family. Whatever it is, let's pretend we need 2 weeks. So if I put this here, it will move all assignments from August 17th down to August 31st, and then they'll begin in the same order on that date. The last thing in the More menu is Eliminate Gaps in Schedule from this day forward. And what that does is that takes any assignments that have blank entries, maybe from moving things around, and it pulls them up. So if I go back to the top and say Eliminate Gaps in Schedule from this day forward, all those assignments will move back up. On top of using the More menu, you can also use the Editing tool, which is one of the most handy features and often overlooked in Homeschool Planet. You'll simply click on Edit, and that will open the editing commands. The first thing you'll want to do is set the date range for assignments you want to change. In this case, I'm just going to do the entire plan, so I'm going to set my through date is the last date of the class. And this way, I have all the assignments that scroll all the way through. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for all assignments containing the word review. Once I do that, you'll see it filtered out everything that wasn't titled review. Now, I have a couple options. First, I'm going to show you how to change those words. Pretend I had spelled it wrong or just wanted to use something different. I'm going to place review with relearn. I probably wouldn't do that in real life, but it works for what I'm doing. Then I'm going to make sure these are all items I want changed, since any item with a check mark in the checkbox is going to take on that change if it meets the criteria. I'll click here. It will update 65 entries, and now they all say relearn instead of review. Now, since that's kind of an odd word, I'm going to change it back from relearn to review, but I'm going to take August 19th, 20th, and 24th, and I'm going to exempt those by deselecting. And then when I hit replace, you'll see it changed all the others to review and left these 3 at relearn. Finally, I'm going to put in relearn, and I'm going to select, since actually what I should have done is gone up here and just said relearn, and then it pulls up just those 3. I'm going to delete the selected items, the items with checkboxes that meet the term relearn. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, I do. And now those are gone. And when I get rid of the containing and I can see my entire plan, you'll see that what was review and I changed to relearn on the 19th, 20th, and 24th are entirely gone. That is a really helpful way to change the wording, or if you confuse something you've done. If you have grading set up for a lesson plan, it will also allow you to change an entire category to another category. I hope that helps. Be sure to reach out if you have any questions. Thanks so much.